Pulling my leg. Understanding this playful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and commonly used English idiom, pulling my leg. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's a playful part of everyday English conversations. Let's explore what it means and how to use it in your own conversations. Pulling my leg is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to joke with someone, often by trying to make them believe something that's not true. It's used in a light-hearted, playful context. For example, if someone tells you a fantastic story that's hard to believe, you might ask, "Are you pulling my leg?" to check if they're joking. The exact origin of pulling my leg is unclear, but it's believed to have originated in the late 19th or early 20th century. Some theories suggest it comes from the idea of tripping someone as a prank. Understanding the origin of idioms like this one can make them easier to remember. You can use pulling my leg in informal settings. It's great for lightening the mood or showing that you're open to humor. Here's an example dialogue. Person A: I once met a talking dog. Person B: Really? Or are you just pulling my leg? Notice how person B uses the phrase to express doubt in a playful way. Other expressions similar to pulling my leg include kidding, joking, or having me on. These can be used interchangeably in many contexts, although pulling my leg often implies a more elaborate or unbelievable joke. And that's all on the phrase, pulling my leg. We hope this has been a fun and informative look at a quirky part of the English language. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to your conversations. Happy learning, and don't let anyone pull your leg too hard.